Dressing up play for your toddler. Most children like to try on different items of clothing and view themselves in different ways. This creates a great opportunity to support your child in making choices for themselves. Collect together a box of dressing up items. It is better if they are real items and not costumes produced for children as dress up, for example, superhero and princess costumes. Items like hats, scarves, shoes, boots, necklaces, high visibility jackets, gloves, tops and belts work best. These things can be collected from things you and your family no longer wear or from a charity shop. Make sure that there is a mirror so that your child can look at themselves and let them experiment with wearing different combinations of items. Don't rush in to help your child put on items. Let them try and experiment. They may wear a t-shirt as a pair of shorts. Your role in this game is to provide positive feedback for their choices. I see that you are wearing the red hat with Daddy's gloves. That looks really good. I really like those beads with that dress. Support the choices that they make and allow them to develop ownership of their choices, and they will also be more accepting of the choices of others as they grow. Remember that both boys and girls like to dress up in different items and experiment with looking different. Try it today.